sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior, MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior, MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba.
we have reached the halfway point ng ating coverage dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season number 2. Live pa rin tayo dito sa City Arena in Santa Mesa, Manila. Baron Mercado. Kasama ko pa rin si John Mahari. John, thank you for still being here with us, and we have an under 15 division na naman na i-cover ngayon.
Siyempre, no, excited ulit tayo para sa panibagong game na meron dito sa 15 under Saints Youth Ballers versus Kicks It Up Pampanga. No? Tignan natin kung ano yung game na may bibigay nila sa atin ngayon.
Kicks It Up Pampanga, they are these players wearing black and red. Meanwhile, itong Saint Youth, sila naman itong naka-white and blue. So, jersey pa lang, talagang contrast na. And we will see, no, we will see and develop or let the game develop yung magiging tema ng ating laro ngayon for Saint Youth and Kicks It Up. And so far dyan, sa nakikita natin, itong Saint Youth, no, a bit aggressive to start off our opening quarter. 8 minutes 39 pa lang. Kita na natin dyan na talagang gusto nilang umatake sa basket.
Oh yes, makikita natin yung aggressiveness nitong Saint Youth na to. No? Pero syempre, knowing na kaka-start pa lang ng game, hindi pa natin talaga alam kung ano pwede mangyari. Pero sa nakikita natin, parang pareha sila na puro running game din. No? At nakita ako na medyo aggressive nga itong guys in light. No? Tapos, mapapansin mo yung height nila, parang pare-parehas naman yan. Puro big man, ang lalaki. Hindi ko lang sure kung big man yung iba dito, pero ang lalaki talaga nila. Lalo itong Kicks It Up Pampanga, no?
Kumbaga, halos same height sila eh. Talagang, ikaw dyan bilang player, no? Kapag nakakita ka ng lineup na almost the same size yung mga kalaban mo, ano yung unang pumapasok sa isip mo?
Pag nakakita kasi ako sometimes, nakakita ko ng kaparehas or minsan medyo malaki. May isip mo agad na may laban. Parang kaya, parang ganun. Parang magkakaroon ka ng mindset na kaya to. Hindi kagaya pag nakakita ka ng mga 6'7", 6'5", 6'4", sama-sama sila. Parang lugi Pero syempre, challenge sa'yo yun. Pero yun yung una kong match up.
Pero usually yung mga, kahit sabihin mong match lang initially, pag naglaro na, makikita mo, yung mga magkakasing height, magkakasing bilis. Pero meron dyan mga sobrang lalakas ng katawan. Doon minsan, doon ka na parang, teka lang, magkaka-height lang tong mga to, pero parang pinapahirapan kami
Hindi mo kasi siya makikita hanggat di naglalaro. Minsan maliit lang, parang isipin mo, liit lang na ito. Pero pag naglaro ba, grabe, kaya niyang buhatin yung buong team.
Hindi mo rin kasi pwedeng gawing, hindi mo naman maiiwasan na ganun ang mangyayari. Pero parang as a basketball player, ganun talaga na parang pag tinignan mo sila, parang kaya. Pero pag naglaro na, pag pumito na yung referee, nag-jump ball na, doon na talaga maglalabasan yung mga laro dito. And that's a good point, no? Dito sa nakita natin, in comparison dun sa The Point Guard Academy na meron talagang 2-3 malalaki na nag-stand out in this game. Parang balance lang yung height differential ng mga teams na naglalaro. A 3 is up. Masyadong malakas para dito sa Saints Youth. Again, they are wearing white and blue. Itong Kicks It Up Pampanga from Florida Blanca pa. So, grabe yung mga isipin mo dyan na Sunday, yung mga biyahe ng mga teams para makaluwas dito at makalaro.
Galing sila sa malalayong places dito sa Manila, no? Pero I think kasi parang kumbaga sa amin kasi for the love of the game, parang grabe talagang mag-effort ka, lalo na hindi naman basta-basta liga itong Junior MPBL na pocket league natin, no?
And that is John Kahukom. He will now be at the line after scoring the first 2 points. Itong Saints Youth basketball team, medyo napako sa dos. No, itong Kicks It Up Pampanga, usually mga kapag dyan sa area niya, Pampanga, Pangasinan, talagang ibang brand ng basketball yung dinadala nila dito. Yun yung isa sa mga bagay na nagugustuhan ko actually sa trabaho natin Kasi I'm from NCR, I'm from Pasay. Nakakakita ako ng mga different basketball styles na from different areas in the Philippines. Eh.
Oo, yun. Tama ka dahil karamihan ng mga players sa North talagang iba maglaro. Talagang di rin sila nagpapatalo, no?
Ikaw, you are one of the pwedeng magsabi talaga at magpatunay nun kasi marami kang nakakalaban na mga players sa pros na galing sa mga ganyang lugar.
Yes, especially itong Pampanga. Sobrang daming magagaling na player dyan.
May kakampi ka dyan.
Yes, ang dami kong mga teammates na galing Pampanga. Tapos iba, Tarlac, mga Pangasinan, mga yun. Kasi talagang batak sila maglaro. Pero
of course, hindi naman magpapahuli. Itong Saints Youth team, usually kapag, kumbaga, pag merong dayo na dadating dito, syempre papakita mo naman na kaya mong sumabay dito sa ano. Kaya yun yung isa sa mga bagay na inaabangan ko dito, yung contrast of styles and papaano sila magbabangga dito. And speaking of bangga, look at that body contact creating on that last offensive play.
saka lumabas yung sinabi natin kanina, no? Na same height silang malalaki. Pero hindi mo alam kung sino yung big man or wingman dahil marurunong sila mag-dribble. As in talaga parang pare-pares ng height pero iba-iba lang sila ng style.
That is a Boz Urbistondo at the free throw area. Free throw drops on the first attempt. At alam ko maraming nanonood dyan sa ating Facebook page ng Junior MPBL Pocket League, yung mga relatives nila, no? Yung mga taga Pampanga at kung saan-saan pa, daming mga viewers dyan all around the Philippines. No, maraming salamat po for always showing support dito sa ating pocket tournament. Meanwhile, itong Saint Youth, after scoring the first 2 points, medyo nanahimik with 4 minutes remaining. Jumper from the free throw area won't go. Offensive rebound, PP hit. Pero merong foul na itatawag doon. Itong si Kian Kiambao, or Kian Kimbao I should say, will be at the line.
Pero may kita mo, no? Parang pareha silang sobrang aggressive, no? Para dito sa magkabilang grupo na to.
3 minutes 57 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. As Kimbao will miss the first, miss the second. Though it hit the top of the backboard, hindi na counted yon kapag ganon. Usually dyan, usually dyan, in a close or in a slow start, no, as a pro, how would you approach this? Paano ka mas makakakuha ng advantage if mabagal yung pacing ng laro?
Siyempre, first nun, kailangan maging aggressive ka. Kasi kailangan i-take advantage mo yung pagiging, kunyari, slow start ng kalaban mo. Kasi baka dun ka makakuha ng momentum para maka-break away dito sa game na to. Kasi madalas, yung pag ikaw yung naunahan, parang double effort ka eh. Alam mo yun, I mean, kailangan mo lang i-take advantage yung mga ganun.
And kanina ay assume na itong dalawang team na to nanood nung previous game dahil ka-division nila ito. North Division, yung sa The Point Guard Academy at saka ditong sa Rizal Knights. Talagang nakita nila kung gaano ka-importante yung magsisimula ka ng maaga. Dahil tulad ng unang laro, naunahan nitong Point Guard Academy itong Rizal Knights, and Kiksera Pampanga attempting to do the same, but that beautiful move wouldn't go in. Itong mga taga Pampanga attempting to run. Nice steal by the guys in white. Will reset the offense here with 2 minutes 40 remaining. Someone's open in that right corner. Hindi lang nakita agad. Goes for that drive. It will be rescued. 8 seconds to go on the shot clock. Floater is good.
Nice shot. Nice shot yun, no?
That is
Not recognizing na nasa likod na yung depensa niya. At yan, another steal.
This is De Luna creating some contact. Back-to-back hits para dito kay Kyle De Luna. Sabihin na nating magulang. Talaga yung nangyari doon. Talagang creating and inviting contact.
Nag-create siya ng space para mga with the slow-mo move.
And we are now tied at 7 with 2:16 remaining, and it's brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp, Enjoy, and Smile. as we are back here. 7-all is the score. 2 minutes 5 remaining in this game. Opening quarter. St. Jude's kicks it up, tied at 7. Nice leak out play and the score para dito sa kicks it up Pampanga.
So far, Baron, in the last 2 plays, no, the pressing defense of St. Jude's medyo nakakawala. No? They're trying to press at the backcourt pero dalawang beses mga semi-fast break itong kicks it up and they're successful in generating those points.
Again, itong kicks it up Pampanga wearing their black and red jerseys. Itong St. Jude, itong light and blue.
Right.
Para at least just to remind everyone na kaka-tune in lang. So both teams scoring dito sa ating first quarter, a much closer game in comparison dun sa ating previous game in the under 15. Floater won't go and this is a good rebound on the side of kicks it up Pampanga.
Good power move there by Chua on the last possession by kicks it up. Just a tad short on the floater. Pero they get the ball back.
We'll have another crack at the possession. 59.4 seconds remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Again, this is game 6 of 10 dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. Good patient offense.
Yes.
Bitin lang yung kanyang follow-up doon. But Eman, that is a really good opportunity. No? Talagang very, very patient siya doon on that move.
And dalawang beses na medyo questionable yung interior defense itong St. Jude's baller. Fine, they are pressing the ball, they are implementing their full court press. Pero when the ball gets into the paint, kahit meron tumatapat dito sa mga receivers ng kicks it up Pampanga, yung resistance hindi ganong katatag eh. Diba? Twice they were able to score inside the paint. Tapos ito naman, Ronquillo was actually double teamed, but he was still able to put the shot up, no? Sabi mo nga, just using a bit of patience.
And usually that's just something you need.
Right.
You know, lalong-lalo na sa paint area and they get a steal on the other side.
Lucky break there for kicks it up because Trinidad, when he tapped the ball, he was stepping on the sideline.
Referees didn't see, it didn't matter. That put back, yun ang kitang-kita ng kicks it up Pampanga.
And early on in this game, it is very evident that kicks it up Pampanga is dominating in the paint.
O kanina, ang napansin namin ni John Mahari, no, pasalamat tayo dito.
Oh yes.
No, kanina dahil
that's my guy.
That's our guy.
My bubble brother John Mahari.
Talagang takbuhan.
Yes.
Nagsimula ito with St. Jude, sila ang unang nakapuntos. But when the game is now starting to slow down, parang it starts to favor on the side of kicks it up.
And what's special, well, not really special, pero it's actually fundamental, no? And it's mature for kicks it up, for a 15-under team, no? To recognize early on that they have the size advantage inside the paint and they are using it to their full advantage as of here in the first period.
Free throw is a miss, but lamang pa rin sila ng 4 na puntos dito. Uh, 14-9 is the score here.
Right.
Just a 5-point lead at referees. At linis-linis nung tawag through that push.
Right.
14-9 pa rin ang ating score. Bola nitong St. Jude's. Penalty situation, I believe. So it's free throw time para dito sa St. Jude.
Malyari and Villegas whispering some bro things to each other, no? Hinaharangan pa rin ng Villegas si Malyari and Malyari is saying, teka, mag-free throw ako, Brad.
Patirahin mo muna ako. O yan, tuloy.
Yeah. I guess on that instance, yung ploy ni Villegas worked, no? As an air ball was shot by Malyari.
Another free throw.
Yun, sakto.
Ayun, sakto na. Hindi, wala
konting adjustment lang.
Masyado ko lang binadali kanina.
Yes, actually.
Kaya namintis ko. But regardless of which, still a 4-point lead. Look at the speed.
Right.
Outracing.
Good D.
Good defense on the other side. 10 seconds to go. Look at him dribble the ball, pero That is costly. Just an easy
That's
room
right.
service bucket.
And if your center tries to dribble the ball against 2-3 defenders, what happens is a 4-0 fast break on the other end.
Which resulted to that last basket for Kicks It Up Pampanga. 16-10 is the score. The guys from Pampanga enjoying a 6-point lead. Second quarter action. Bakbak ang Kicks It Up Pampanga at itong Saint Youth. No, a 6-point lead para dito sa Kicks It Up Pampanga. No, after that fast start nitong Saints Youth, itong Kicks It Up really kicks it up. Yung kanilang momentum dito. 3 is on its way.
Kumbaga,
Miss.
kumbaga pumped up kicks, no? Dahil mabilis eh. Eto na naman sila, partner.
Speaking of bilis, look at
Oh.
that pass. Spin, cycle, won't go. Pero
That
grabe
time,
rin yung defense eh.
That's right. That time yung patience na ginawa kanina ni Malyari hindi nag-work because that was excellent defense displayed there by John Ali, who just stood his ground and bothered that shot.
Kumbaga nabasa na.
Yes.
Kasi nakita na kanina na may potential na
Oh.
mangyari yun eh. Speaking of which, look at that defense. Balik ang bola dito sa Kicks It Up Pampanga.
Thomas Ronquillo, perfect timing on the block. Di ba, may mga instruction.
Oh, bago tayo magtuloy dyan, this is our quarter scene stealer from the
naman pala.
tip-off to the final buzzer. Every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And as you were saying,
That's right. Yung kaninang block ni Thomas Ronquillo, usually pag magko-close out ka sa jump shooter, huwag ka dapat basta, don't leave your feet ang sinasabi, di ba? Pero kitang-kita niya na nasakto yung talon niya and got the block and the possession for his team.
though not resulting to a point, usually mga ganun, mga risky plays na yun
Yes,
eh. But
yes.
natansya ni Ronquillo that time that he has a good position,
And
kayang-kaya
timing,
niyang,
yes.
timing at kayang-kaya niyang bantayan. And maybe that's something that he does on a regular basis.
Oo. At yun yung mga well, for me, no, personally, I am very particular of guards that have high blocking percentages. Like Dwayne Wade. Nakakabilib yung mga guards na malakas manupalpal eh.
Nasingit mo pa si Dwayne Wade.
That's
na
right.
alam kong favorite player, isa sa mga, playing for your favorite team.
Yes.
Yan. Yeah, I totally
Of course,
get
nandun
it.
yung kababayan natin na si Coach Po.
Yeah.
Pero it's just special for a 1 or 2 guard, no, na very particular in blocking shots.
Kasi usually pag guards is more on stealing the ball.
Yes, yes.
Diba? Pero having someone who can block shots, like Ronquillo, here he is, sends it in the corner. A 3 though, on its way, won't go. Ronquillo on that follow-up. Couldn't get that basket, second chance points. Will attempt to reset. 11 seconds on the shot clock, challenging itong defense si Ali.
Right. That time, the defense of Saints Youth able to hold up on its own. However, on the other side,
Nasupalpal pero merong contact
Yes.
naman on the other side.
yes, lucky break there for Saints Youth. Na, well, from our angle, sa taas, no, huling-huli. Pero our officials saw the body contact which happened downstairs.
I believe the foul was called on Adrian Mato, the longest player on the court of Kicks It Up Pampanga, number 23.
Right.
Kanina nakita ko no, almost same height lang sila, pero pagpasok ni Mato, as I see here him run on the court, parang teka lang, anong same height?
Hindi, mas malapad lang si John. Si John Ali, no?
Oo.
Pero si Mato is long. A long player there.
Oo. Lanky.
Yes. Oh, somebody got hit on the forehead. That's Bruce.
Oh, Bruce.
Bruiz. sorry.
Bruiz, I should
Yeah,
say.
Bruiz.
Attempting to fight for that rebound. 5 to go. Fakes a 3. Inches closer. Jump shot won't go. And Ronquillo almost getting that possession back. Blue shirts almost making that turnover. Need to pass the ball quick to prevent an 8-second call. Ali on the drive. And he will shoot 2 free throws.
Yeah, that's a fortunate call for John Ali. Though unfortunately, hindi niya napasok yung layup. No? The escape was already there. Yung release lang. Yung konting English.
John Ali at the line.
That was way towards the left. At puro left ng board lang ang tinamaan.
And now he changes his shot
Yun
from the
lang.
left to the right.
Yun ang yun ang tendency doon, partner, di ba? Pag pinipilit mo mag-adjust, lalo na sa free throw. Kaya nga sabi ni Ray Allen, kung ano yung pinapractice mo, if your shot is short or long or veers to the left or veers to the right, do not change your routine. Just go through your routine and release.
Kumbaga sa power ka na lang mag-a-adjust. And speaking of which, that's a good answer on the side of Saints Youth. Missing 2 free throws, but getting a 3-pointer back. They get a steal. Can they capitalize? That's a quick 5-0 stretch.
That's right.
Para dito sa Saints Youth.
5-point swing. And that time, Rian Gregorio holding on to the ball too long. And now they get it. Ito naman ang matagal, si Mato naman ang matagal humawak ng bola that time. That was a virtual 3-on-1 break.
Gregorio
there it
looks
is.
to answer. And he drills it.
Right.
19-17. Parang kanina nararamdaman ko bumabagal na yung pace. Tapos bigla namang nag-5-0 run itong Saints Youth.
Yes.
Gregorio hits a 3. Biglang action starting to pick up.
Oh.
And now they force an unforced turnover there. Balik ang bola dito sa mga taga Pampanga.
At sayang yun because after that 5-point swing, evidently the momentum was building up for Saints Youth's ballers. However, yung mga errors sila, they have to keep it in check. Dahil yan, sila mismo ang sumayang ng kanilang momentum.
Another chance here for Kicks It Up. Mato with a turnaround. Won't go.
Open lane.
This is a 2-on-3 break on the left side. Erased that time.
Was there a foul?
Yeah, referee saw a foul on that block, but for our angle, it looks clean.
I think I saw the left hand of Michael Cuerdo nakatukod sa baba, and I believe that yun yung tinawagan ng refs. However, that was a excellent defensive effort there by Cuerdo, getting the block upstairs, kaya lang natawagan siya ng foul sa baba.
Got to appreciate the effort pa din kasi pwede namang hindi na lang habulin, but again.
At ang ganda ng challenge yung dalawa coming from yung number 16 itong Saints Youth, no? And then talagang nagtinginan sila bago nagsabong in mid-air.
Parang titira ko to, sasabay ka ba? Oo, sasabay ako.
Tira mo nga.
Ganun yung nangyari dun eh.
Hawakan ko pa yung tenga mo. In the meantime,
makes that free throw, the substitute free throw kanina. 4:30 remaining dito sa ating first half of action.
Oh yeah, that's Ramos.
A close game so far dito sa ating second under 15 schedule, no, back to back.
Right.
Kanina cover namin ni John Mahari, the Point Guard Academy at Rizal Knights, and this is the second of it. Ali, that was a dangerous pass. Believe Ali hasn't had a good position pa.
Yes.
For that pass. Bruiz wants the ball here in the corner but opts to use this pick. Itong si Cuerdo sends it on the other side. And
Good pass.
A good power move by the big
Right.
man.
That was also a dangerous pass by Cuerdo going cross-court, going to the baseline. But John Mato was ready for it and had better position compared to sa kanina kay John Ali, no? And Mato able to convert on the soft floater from the baseline.
Actually, mga cross-court passes, sabi nga ng mga coaches, that you don't do that. Kasi madaling ma-anticipate yun eh. But that
Yes.
time, talagang natansya.
Yes, that was right on the money. Yung pass ni Cuerdo na yun.
And with 3 minutes 27 remaining, 3 seconds to go on the shot clock, we have a timeout on the court. Guys from Pampanga up by 2 points. And this timeout is brought to us by Domo Domo, Slurp, Enjoy, and Smile. At 3:27 remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Only 3 seconds to shoot para dito sa Saints Youth. Decides to pull a 3 from the corner. That won't do. Balik ang bola, or I should say last touch on the side of Kicks It Up. So Saint Youth dodging a bullet there. Eman,
Yes.
on that missing that last shot, magkakaroon pa sila ng pagkakataon dito to tie or take the lead. Swings it on the right. Decides to shoot and scores.
That's Rabin, Sinichi Radin rather. Yeah, had all day dun sa, to take that three-point shot. No? That yung closeout was soft on the part of Pampanga.
Big to big action right there as Alvarez will be at the line, will shoot 2.
And this is probably what the game plan should be for Kicks It Up Pampanga, to really pound it inside and challenge the defense of John Ali. Because if you get John Ali in foul trouble, wala na yata siyang kapalit from the bench nitong St. Jude's ballers, no? So if Kicks It Up really takes the ball hard into the paint, at baka doon nila man-neutralize itong depensa ng St. Jude's.
Fakes that 3, muntik nang mawala sa kanila ang bola. Good anticipation right there for the guys of Pampanga. A running start. This is just an easy layup.
Right,
That is Cuerdo scoring that layup.
right. 0-2 fast break in favor of Kicks It Up.
Ali kicks it out in the corner. They hit a 3 earlier. Will they hit a back-to-back? No. On that opportunity. Approaching the final 2 minutes dito sa ating second quarter.
Alvarez asking for it. Although, ito na naman yung patience na sinasabi mo, partner, on the part of Kicks It Up Pampanga.
Alvarez wanting those or the ball at least on 2 different possessions. But the height,
Oh,
muntik nang makuha ng Kicks It Up yun.
yeah, Mato was right there. Good tap by Ali.
But that time, display of strength and soft touch. Parang nung pagbangga ako'y nasaktan eh.
Pero kita mo naman yung bitaw, di ba?
Really a soft finish. Ali,
Finesse na finesse. However, yon, nothing finesse about that pass.
too high.
Right.
It's even too high even for him.
Right into the food of our commissioners. Right there.
But regardless of which, isa na lamang ang hinahabol dito ng Saints Youth. Doing their best here to keep in pace. Kicks It Up Pampanga. Looking to lace up the boots and run away with this game with a minute 22 remaining in the second. Brought to us by Domo Domo, Slurp, Enjoy, and Smile. Final minute 22. Possession will be on the hands of Kicks It Up Pampanga. Saints Youth
Oh,
will
good
need
tap.
to make a stop. Kakasabi ko lang, they will have a chance to take the lead. Masyadong mababa
Right.
yung beaten doon. A running start here from the guys from Pampanga. Won't go. Good defense on the other side. Ball is on the ground. A lot of pushing, a lot of shoving. Pero sa Saints Youth ang possession on that last play.
I think I have to take the statement I just said earlier na sinabi ko na walang kapalit si John Ali on the part of Saints Youth. That was an outstanding block by the youngster Kian Kiambao, no? Defending the fast break. Kung saan dehado sila, 2 on 3, no? Yung fast break na yun ng Kicks It Up. Pero Kian Kiambao able to stop it with that block. Pero ito na naman,
Masusubukan na naman yung kanilang fast break defense dito. Forcing that miss though, a foul was called. And to
Right.
your point, Emma, no, yung mga ganun, coaches love that.
yes.
Not giving up yung mga effort. Yun yung isa sa mga naririnig ko lagi kay John Mahari kanina, yung outplay your opponent, out-hustle them, and
Yes.
that will really
Yes.
help you win the game.
Of course. And in that last play, no, Kian Campbell was right in the middle of it again, was able to stop the fast break. Unfortunately, natawagan ng foul itong kakampi niya na si John Oliveros. Oh, there he is, pulling down that rebound. So the youngster is becoming a revelation here, talking about number 19, Kiambao.
And with 35 seconds remaining in, nabasa yung baseline drive. 30 seconds to go. Can have a chance for a 2-for-1, pero ang ganda ng basa.
Yes.
Look at him go. On the run, left side, drop pass, and
Wow.
it is good. That is a
What did I
tight,
tell you?
that is a tight pass, and that shot goes in.
Number 19, Kian Kiambao, was able to get the interception again.
Nice.
Second steal in a row for Kian and second assist.
Nice steal. Showing up.
Right.
Itong si Cambao in
Yes.
this game. Look at them go. Momentum is clearly on
Oh.
their side.
Wow.
As we enter our halftime, Saints Youth really showing us the energy that we're
Yes.
lacking nung first quarter. Itong Kicks It Up Pampanga, medyo nagulat dun sa mga couple of possessions na yon. Saints Youth Ballers leading here by 2 points, 28-26 as we are on our halftime break. From the tip off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic make every meal a magic moment. Swerte naman ni Nanay, nakakuha ng freebies.
Yes.
Na courtesy of Chef's Magic. Kaya sa mga malalapit lang dito, no, pwede pa kayong humabol. Meron pa tayong 4 games to cover. I believe after this one, pwede pa makaakuha kayo ng Chef's Magic tapos bigyan nyo kami dito. Sa kanila na. Akala sa kanila na. No?
Talagang sa kanila pa kukunin.
Regardless of which, we are back here. No? Third quarter, second half of action. Back ang Saints Youth. Tsaka itong Kick Sirap Pampanga. Live inside the City Arena. Baron Mercado. Eman Cabiles joining you for this Pocket League action. And Eman, you have some stats. What stood out for you sa ating first half of action?
I'm sorry, medyo na-distract ako dun sa go-ahead pass. Nonetheless, no, our score after 2 quarters of play is 20-26. So there was a point in the first quarter na akala natin magdo-dominate na ng tuluyan itong Kicks It Up Pampanga versus St. Hugh's Baller, especially when they figured out how to break the press that was implemented by St. Hugh's. However, St. Hugh's Ballers very scrappy towards the end of the second period and were able to close the gap and end the first half only down up actually by 2 and leading the St. Hugh's Baller in points is basically Sinichi Radin. You would thought that it would be John Ali, no? Pero yeah, it is Radin who had the 3 earlier and several fast break points. Pero ito nga, the guy that I talked about at the tail end of the second period, picking up his first foul only, Kian Kiambao, who is a revelation in this game.
Wala siyang, I believe he hasn't have a point
Wala pa.
But
the dirty work.
Oh, the energy, the effort. Kasi on those last 2 possessions bago tayo matapos ng ating first half, he was really the one who started. And way pa yung mga depensa niya, no?
And what's special about that he made those excellent plays while John Ali, and there he is, right on cue. Well, John Ali was resting on the bench, and there you go, right on cue. Kian Cambao getting his first points of this game.
Talaga naririnig nila tayo. Sabi na, pinag-uusapan na nila Baron at Eman dito. Score nga ako. Wala pa daw puntos eh.
May earbuds sa maglalaro eh.
Pero yun, na-counter
good
naman
catch
ng Kicks It Up Pampanga. Fakes on that attempt. Too tight yung pasa. Tatakbo dito. Gregorio. Oh, what a move by Gregorio!
The high gathered Euro by Gregorio. Wow, completely eluding the defense right there.
May pang my day ka na. Napakagandang move nun. Evading the defense and scoring here with 7:40 remaining. Saints Youth babawi. Beautiful drive. Just rolling it out of the rim. Gregorio with a forward pass. Bibigay dito kay Cuerdo, our team captain for at least this day. Cuerdo, this is a 3-on-1 break and that's an easy basket para dito sa St. Hugh's Baller. This is Aaron Ramos.
Good job by Aaron Ramos doing the trail there on their fast break. Mid defender umpisa, but after the tip, it was a virtual 3-on-0 run, fast break run for St. Hugh's Baller.
Yun yung risk dun eh.
Yes.
No, you attempted to get that steal. Kapag nakuha mo, takbo ka pabalik. Pero pag nawala sa'yo, meron 3 pwedeng kumuha on the other side. At itong si Ramos just finishing it home. A close ball game here.
Good entry.
34-32. Good entry pass and a score by the big man. Tabla tayo at 34.
Right, so that was Thomas Ronquillo, no? And he was, again, the defended there inside by Kiambao. However, nakaisa doon si Ronquillo against Kiambao. Pero look at the defense of Kian Kiambao. Nandun siya, nasa harapan siya ng offensive player, pero hindi siya natatawagan ng foul.
Honest defense talaga.
Yes, pero may mga bangga-bangga prior to dun sa matapos ang play, no? Pero hindi siya yung nag-i-initiate. He's just there to try his best to defend for his team, no?
Absorbing the contact, pero ito ay running start, sidestepping, ang linis ng galaw, ala Dwayne Wade. Yung pag-find ng angle na yon.
And hindi nakita ng ref natin, but Johan had some words to say against the defender. Nabawi tuloy kagad.
On the other side, di ka pa nakakatapos, nakaka-score yung mga players dito.
And that was a dangerous pass. Yeah. Did that come from number 30, Dwayne Villegas? Yeah, right.
We needed that whistle, Eman.
Yes.
Tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy yung nangyaring action dito, but it's no problem. Tied at 36. Frenetic pace yung third quarter natin, no? Pero we are seeing less turnovers, which is very unusual to a fast-paced game.
Well, in the meantime, that was a reaching foul against Cuerdo,
who has played well then
right
on his team, no, sa Kiksira Pampanga.
Yeah, so far Michael Cuerdo has 4 points.
Pero yung impact niya, yun yung hindi matatawaran. But ito, a three-pointer made there by Kyle De Luna.
That was a confident three-pointer, and we would have thought that he was out of position. He was pivoting. No, hindi pa nga nakaset yung feet niya, and there was a defender right in front of him in the presence of Cuerdo.
Oh, look at this move by Ramos all the way.
Oh, that's right, Ramos.
He has done a good job running down that floor for that coast-to-coast point. Gives his team a 5-point lead, 41-36. And this is brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp, Enjoy, and Smile. (41-36), a 5-point lead para dito sa Saints Youth after that three-pointer by De Luna and the drive by Ramos. That was the result of this 5-point lead. Nice pass. Ali was too late for the challenge.
That's right, and yan yung kanina in the first period when before Kian Cambao checked in, no, it was only John Ali trying to defend the paint against sometimes three offensive players, at yun na nangyayari talaga. Iniikutan siya.
Speaking of Ali, John Ali.
Sabi ni John Ali, that time dagdagan nyo pa.
Naririnig talaga tayo dito ni John Ali.
Itingnan ko nasa nakatago. Kung may mga earbuds sa tenga habang naglalaro.
Pero we rest assure you, wala silang earbuds. Wala silang earphones.
Of course, bawal yan.
Bawal yun, pero talagang yun yung nangyayari sa broadcast kapag napag-uusapan.
Nakakaramdam, no?
John Ali that time shot his free throw using his left hand. So maybe he has found the rhythm. Using the left, kanina, di ba, he overcooks that free throw, hits the left side of the board.
Pero parehong left ginamit niya nun?
No, left and right.
Talaga? Left and right? Nag-switch ang kamay, okay.
Oo, nag-switch siya, kaya yung second free throw niya nun was on the right, but that time was too good.
I was actually surprised that Urbistondo was not called for the travel there. Di ba yung hop skip, tinatawagan na ng traveling lately dito sa, well, particularly sa MPBL and junior MPBL, no? You can't land on the foot that you jump with. Yes.
Same foot landing.
Yes.
maybe...
And basically, ganun yung ginawa ni Orbistondo, but siguro dahil sa bilis.
Oo, yun yung pupuntuhin ko eh. Orbistondo, yun nga, went from 0 to 100 in an instant na hindi na napansin ng referee.
Right. Nasa harapan pa nila.
Oo.
Nasa gitna pa siya ni John Ali, saka nung official natin.
Regardless of which, 4-point lead para dito sa Saints Youth. Babawi itong si Ronquillo. Completes that play. Hoop and harm.
There
Ramos
he is again.
will be called for a foul.
I thought Ramos was going to block that shot, no? And a good job by Ronquillo, able to sneak that ball on, under the outstretched arms itong si Ramos. At nakakuha pa ng end one.
Ronquillo will complete that 3-point play. Saints Youth kicks it up. Talagang nagpapalitan pa din dito ng puntos for just a 1-point lead. 2 minutes 55 remaining. Di diskarte. Elbow jumper won't go.
Right. And you can't beat a zone defense like that, no?
Orbistondo again finds an opening. Gives them the lead. And that time, wala nang travel call dapat.
Right. That
a
was clean. Parang nasa highway lang siya.
A clean layup para dito kay Boss Orbistondo. Aaron Sean Ramos with that beautiful floater.
That would be the 13th point already of Sean Ramos. And yeah, good job on that strong drive. And even with the taller defenders on him, in the meantime, ito na si John Ali. Oh, good job finding his teammate.
Ooh, sayang. Could have converted on, really switched the momentum on their side. Sayang lang yun. But we'll have another chance and another crack at it.
In-anticipate ko na end one eh. Dahil ang ganda ng release ni De Luna eh. No? Although because of the bump, medyo na-off yung angle ng release niya.
But De Luna has been playing well in this third quarter. Siya yung naka 3 points na akala natin off balance.
Yes. Yung may pivot pa and then release.
Gusto kong balikan lang yung kanina, no? Kasi it happened right in front of us.
Right.
Akala ko he was sizing his opponent up. Nagja-jab step pa eh.
Oo nga eh.
Tapos biglang tumira.
Akala ko nga ipapasa sa sa middle eh. Yung pala, tira na pala yun.
But
Nothing but net, no?
De Luna completes his free throws in. A 3-point lead here, 48 to 45.
Here's the downhill, Mato. Going downhill, rather.
Ayan na yung sinasabi mo, Eman. They are now challenging the defense of John Ali, forcing the hands of the coaching staff nitong Saints Youth to use more players and get John Ali out of the game.
And good job right there by Mato. Even if he knew that John Ali can defend him well, pero he took it strong right into the chest of John Ali and able to pick up the foul of arguably the primary gun nitong Saints Youth baller. Napaparaming esko. Saints Youth ballers. There you go.
We are in our final 2 minutes. Kicks it up Pampanga, trailing by 3 points. Will be on the break itong si Gregorio, but
all out of control.
A steal and a counter steal and a counter steal. That's 2 counter steals on the side of Saints Youth. Sila ang aatake.
Wild
basket.
shot.
Follow up, won't go. Opportunity again, makukuha yan ni Matito.
Yeah, almost. Kiambao almost got another offensive rebound there.
Goes on the run. Here's si Bruiz. Nice pass. Big to big action.
Yes.
As Alvarez scores.
Yes, good presence of mind there by Bruiz. Sasabihin ko sana for locating his teammate, pero madali naman pala ilocate si Alvarez. Lalo na pag nasa gitna.
Taas lang ng kamay ni Alvarez. Pag
hindi mo pa ba naman nakita yan?
Ewan mo na. A 3 on the way. That is all air on the side of Villegas. Another running start para dito sa Kicks It Up. Final 50 remaining. Bruiz on that drive. Di tatawagan ng referees yung attempt ni Villegas.
There's a flop warning against Villegas.
Double black eye pa, no?
Nga.
Called for a flop and then gave a basket dito kay Bruiz. De Luna
Kian
lost the ball.
Again, right place at the right time.
Villegas.
Again, Kian Kembao. Ngayon
He's
naman
been-
offensive rebounds ang pinapakita niya sa atin, no?
He's been active. Look at him go.
Oo.
Kahit ang layo na nung bola, talagang
Right.
hinahabol pa rin ni Kian yung bola.
And he is the only light shirt in the middle of 4 dark jerseys.
But Gregorio swishing that in. Kanina lamang ng tatlo itong Saint Youth. Ngayon, itong kick sirap has a 3-point lead. A lot of time for De Luna to pick up a shot. But a better defense para dito kay Michael Cuerdo. On that last play, we will enter the fourth quarter with kick sirap Pampanga enjoying this 3-point lead. A close ball game we are having here in the under 15 division of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2. Fourth quarter action. Under 15 division. Kicks it up Pampanga enjoying a 3-point lead in a back and forth action, especially on that third. Opens up the fourth with a 3 to a miss. Cuerdo secures the rebound.
A good play there on the drive and kick by St. Jude's ballers. Hindi lang pumasok talaga yung 3-point shot. However, here's a fast break. Brewing, good.
John Ali.
High gather there by John Ali.
You gotta love the bigs netong Saints Youth. Talagang tumatakbo sila. Not afraid to rim run. And
Yes.
that is what a rim running does to you. You will get an easy basket and of course a end one opportunity.
And on the part of the passers from St. Jude's ballers, the great job finding your big. Of course, when you see your front line running, you have to feed them.
Parang unspoken rule in basketball.
Sayang naman pag nakita mo tumatakbo si Shaquille O'Neal, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin si Wembanyama kasi talaga tumatakbo yun.
No.
Diba? Pero yung mga classic centers, there you go.
And
When you see them run, you really have to feed them.
And we have our quarter scene stealers, courtesy of Chef's Magic. From the tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic make every meal a magic moment. And as I say the spiel of Chef's Magic, I heard the gasp of Eman Cabiles on my right.
Because that was in front of us. That bullet-like pass by Kian Kembao to the cutting John Ali. However, unfortunately, lumabas yung bola dun sa tiro ni John Ali. Sayang. But that was an excellent pass by Kian Kembao. Pangatlong assist niya na sana yun.
Kicks it up Pampanga on the other side, taking advantage of that wasted opportunity.
Right.
Ruiz sends it to Gregorio. Their dynamic guard decides to pull the trigger too strong. Offensive rebound,
Urbiz.
attacks on the left, shoots with the right and scores.
Urbiz Tundo having himself a third quarter here. He has come alive in the third period. Kanina, parang halos hindi natin siya na may mention, no? And there he is.
Sila ni Gregorio,
Right.
really the engine of this team. Na kapag nag-decide magtakbuhan itong Kicksera Pampanga, sila mangunguna. Pero speaking of nangunguna, that
Right.
is Aaron Sean Ramos with a 3.
And if I'm not mistaken, Aaron Ramos is now the leading scorer for his squad, no?
It looks like it dahil nakarami rin siya nung third quarter.
Right.
Medyo tahimik lang nung ating first half. Second quarter has done quite some damage, pero nung pagdating nung third, we
Yes.
kept on mentioning itong si Aaron Ramos. He was the one who made that coast-to-coast move.
Yes.
plus the basket and the foul, I believe. And now he has shown his range in this game.
And the coaching staff of Saints Youth Ballers rewarding the effort of Kian Kiambao, letting him stay in the game in this crucial quarter.
And that is a lesson to every player here na
Yes.
nanonood sa atin. You don't need to score 20 or
No.
15 to be in the game. You need to do the dirty work like Kiambao right there. Si Kian,
Oh,
kanina pa ang
what a
sipag,
move.
pero yun, that will definitely keep you
Yes.
in the game. What a move by Orbis Tondo.
And like we said, he has come alive. Nag-umpisa na third quarter and it's spilling over to the fourth.
Tough basket, no whistle. Recovered here by Ronquillo. Drives in the baseline. Nice
What
tough
a drop.
pass and that won't go.
Sorry, miss.
A lucky break there para dito kay
Yes.
Kian. Hindi siya natawagan on that last play.
But prior to that, no, the rebound ni Kian Kiambao, it was Aaron Ramos, or check that was number 16. Radin, the lone defender inside. What a drop!
Ooh, what a drop pass. That scores in.
That was all Kian Kiambao. I didn't even see who shot the ball.
Makes that basket, but this is a beautiful spin. Ronquillo counters with a putback of his own. Ito, Eman, magandang laban to of two energy
Right,
guys.
right.
Si Kian Kiambao on the side of the blue shirts, on the side of Kicks It Up, ay itong si Ronquillo.
Yes, and also yun lang, pati si Orbis Tondo.
Yeah.
Diba? Although
I mean,
last possession, it was Ronquillo.
Yeah, I mean, it's a battle of guys who gives you energy.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's right, that's right.
Ronquillo tsaka itong si Kian really countering each other here.
Baka lang isipin ng mga kaliga natin, kamag-anak ko si Kian Kiambao, hindi po.
Hindi po.
Bumibilib lang po kami sa effort na pinapakita ng bata.
Because he started to play, I believe,
Yes.
halfway point of the first quarter. Tapos
Not
yung
even,
energy niya.
second.
He played in the second. Oh.
Yes. Siya yung nagtapos ng second.
So really showing the effort itong si Kian. Really enjoying what you see here.
Right.
Speaking of which, he receives the ball, goes for the attack, decides to kick it out. This is their Luna. Clean jumper.
Right. And the fourth assist by who? By Kian Kiambao.
Eman,
mean,
Eman Cabiles having a personal assist counter.
Because he is practically a power forward at best, but parang siya ngayong tumatayo na sentro ngayon eh.
But on
Pero
the other
he is looking
side,
for his teammates, Baron. Di ba?
he is being countered here by Cuerdo on the offensive end. Using his energy against him on that last play.
Pick and pop.
Luna for 3. That won't go para dito kay De Luna. Kyle Kiambao he's been active in
Kaya-
this game.
Although yung last pickup na yun, nakatayo lang siya, yung bola na lumapit.
Even the
May
ball
magnet. Yeah.
wants a piece of Kian Kiambao in this game.
Kahit yung bola, maamo sa kanya.
Oo. And because that is the result of effort.
Yes.
Kasi having a good position lang, it means he has good position. Kasi napupunta sa kanya yung ball eh.
And right now, a drop zone here. Well, no. A drop D implemented by Saints Youth.
A 3 on the way. That is off the mark. Could have
Oh.
increased the lead. That is Ronquillo challenged by who?
That
John
good
Ali.
defense
That is
by
John
John
Ali.
Ali, but someone is down and apparently got hit by the swing of the elbow by John Ali. Inadvertent, of
Oo.
course, no?
Of course, yun lang naman yung ginagawa to really
Right.
protect the ball na baka maagaw. Pero on that side,
And even prior to that, the foul was called against Kiksira Pampanga.
it seems to be
Oh, it's
okay.
Orbis Tondo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or mga Orbis Tondo.
Yeah.
Titibay ng mga yan, brother.
Mhm.
Yes.
Mhm.
And yeah, he's back up again. Good to see that. And I'm sure he will come back in this game with more fire than what he already displayed in the third and early here in the fourth.
May pagkakataon siya dito. They will play defense.
Yes.
Let's see if he can, transfer that frustration into baskets with 3:40 remaining, I should say, dito sa ating fourth quarter. Itong Saints Youth only down by 3 points.
Right.
Fakes that 3. attacks, kicks it out. De Luna for the tie.
Boom. De Luna, and that was an excellent setup job there by Villegas, if I'm not mistaken. The drive and kick, De Luna obliges.
De Luna also playing well, but look at that pass. Really committing the defense on that right side. Finding itong si Ronquillo on the left.
Basically the same play, hindi lang drive and kick, drive and draw, drive and drop.
So let's see if Saints Youth can counter with another point. Villegas will send it to Ali. Defended by Orbistondo. Sends it out. A three. In and out on that attempt.
Good
Ali
effort.
secures the rebound. John finds a teammate. Oh, tight of a pass. Cuerdo all alone. Oh, sorry, miss. Para dito kay Cuerdo. De Luna secures the steal. Ali will be fouled, and that is a sorry miss para dito kay Michael Cuerdo.
That's right. Yung bit-bit na pahaba and he found himself too deep underneath the basket when he released that ball. On the other end naman, good job by Ali to still take it strong and get the foul even if he didn't get the basket.
2:19 remaining, approaching the final 2 minutes in this game. Saints Youth will have this possession after this timeout. And it is brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp, Enjoy, and Smile. John Ali and Saints Youth trailing by 2 points. Sayang yung tira ni Kyle De Luna.
Right, that was a bit forced.
Could have tied this game on the other side. Running start para dito sa kicks it up Pampanga. Look at the effort right there. Nice save. De Luna.
Ahead.
Forward pass. Balik kay De Luna. Fakes a three. Sandwich, but better defense. Good effort. Both teams not giving up. Tough layup. Ali with the putback.
John Ali. When everything else fails, John Ali is there to save the day for Saints Youth.
Big putback by the big man. Tied at 63 with a minute 45 remaining. Gregorio has been playing superb on the side of kicks it up. Will have a lot of time for their offense.
Oh, good.
Tawagan ng foul doon si John Ali.
That was a nice move by Cuerdo to pick up. Just a second foul of John Ali. John Ali, good job also in keeping himself out of foul trouble.
Kahit siya yung inaatake ng depensa.
Yes. But yeah, Cuerdo, the nice move to fake John Ali out and then go right into his body when he was out of balance.
Gregorio will give it to Ronquillo inside. Thomas Ronquillo couldn't hit the basket. Fakes, inches closer. Referees didn't blow their whistle yet.
Right.
14 seconds to work with. Here is Gregorio, sends it out. A three on the way. No good.
Oh.
And Ramos signaling, teka lang.
Right.
Need to control this one. Look at the effort of Cuerdo.
That's right.
Nagkahawa-hawa na dito. Kiambao, Cuerdo, Ronquillo, everyone here.
At medyo salungat yung nangyari doon nung si Ramos sumignal ng teka lang. Sabay siya yung nag-dribble ng pilit na naagawan tuloy.
Push ng pace.
Right.
And now a running start
there
here.
There it is. Oh, good job.
Good effort right there. Para dito kay Malyari.
That's right. That was almost a 2-on-1 fast break. Pero Malyari able to deflect that pass.
40.5 seconds remaining. Saints Youth will have the possession here after this timeout. And it's brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp. Enjoy and smile. A 40.5 seconds remaining of fourth quarter. Tabla tayo at 63.
Right.
Saints Youth having a lead, having a good fourth quarter dahil kanina they were trailing by 3.
Right.
And then now making a comeback. Hindi nila hinayaang lumayo yung laro dito. Gotta give effort doon sa Saints Youth defense. And we will start off this play. Let's see if they can convert off the timeout. Maliari guarded by Gregorio. 10 seconds remaining. Gregorio still looking for some teammates. Decides to call his own number. That shot won't drop. Last touch, I believe, will be on the side of Saints Youth. Kicks it up. Sila naman ang didiskarte dito. Final 26.2 remaining. Still a lot of time for them to set up a shot here. We have a timeout on the court, and it's brought to us by Domo Domo Slurp. Enjoy and smile. After that failed three-point attempt by John Kahukom.
Right.
Still tied at 63.
Kahukom just trying to make something out of nothing as their initial play was broken. And now let's see if Kicks It Up can take the lead here.
They will give it back here. A three won't go. Fights for the rebound. Mapupunta yan. Dito sa side ng Kicks It Up. Stepping on the line.
Right.
So may pagkakataon dito itong Saints Youth. 5.1 seconds. We are still searching for a hero for both teams.
And they have to draw a better play than the last time, partner, to get a better shot. No, they don't need a three-pointer. And I think it's best right now that they should have they should try to attempt a strong drive and take it inside the paint. No, at least get a foul on the attempt. Para kahit papano with 5.1 seconds, they may even have a chance to seal this game at the free throw line.
Meanwhile, on the side of the defense,
yes,
they just need to anticipate kung ano yung mangyayari dito, not to overcommit on anything.
Right. Though I may be wrong when I said that they don't need a three-point shot, because if De Luna is open, then he has all the license to shoot.
Especially by the way he plays today. No, nakakailang 3 points na itong si Kyle De Luna in this game. So a perfect candidate. At nakita natin, he doesn't need any balance to do it.
Right.
Kasi he has the capability to stroke it from outside.
So I'm expecting a high pick here. This ball will go to Villegas' hands. And probably the usual drive and kick out to De Luna or a drop to John Ali.
Don't count out Sean Ramos.
Right, and Sean Ramos is there also. Oh,
They
John
will give
Ali
it to
receives,
Ali,
but he's too
receives
far.
it. 3 seconds to go. Referees will point it on the other side with a
Oh, good
a
defensive stand there by
point
Bistondo.
4. Second point remaining here.
And again, I wonder why De Luna was the first one to cut, and he had an open.
A
Pass.
clean look,
Oh.
Gregorio,
The
and
tap.
we will have an extended period.
Pag sineswerte ka nga naman.
Overtime game dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament. Mamaya, Eman, balikan natin yung mga nangyaring sequence. Both teams really had some struggles finding the open shot, but regardless of which, end of regulation, overtime period is activated. 63 all is the score. This game needs extra 5 minutes to decide a winner.
Right.
Overtime action. Kicks it up Pampanga Saints Youth. Tabla at 63. Ronquillo sinks in the first 2 points of the overtime period.
That was a fearless drive by Ronquillo, moving out of the baseline, just going around John Ali to scoop one in.
Let's see here, Saints Youth on the previous possession. Couldn't convert on their baskets.
Yes.
Etong kicks it up, nakakita na ng basket. Ramos almost hitting that 3.
Right.
Fights for the rebound, recovered here by the guys in blue.
Radin back on the in the game, no? Actually, kanina ko pa siya hinahanap. He had a good third quarter.
Si Nichi Radin at halftime had 11. Ramos with a spin, glass shot won't go. Follow-up won't hit it, I should say. Balik sa kanila ang bola dito. Send it out. De Luna for 3. No good. And that's gonna hurt if you are Saints Youth. You have a couple of possessions from the inside, from the outside. Walang pumapasok.
4 offensive rebounds, but no conversions.
Ooh, but that is a meltdown on the side of Gregorio.
Na-relax masyado si Gregorio sa pagtawid sa midcourt.
Natawagan sila ng 8-second call here with 3:25 remaining. Usually kung sino yung maagawa dito, Emma, ng mga quick 4-0 run, a 6-0 run, gives them a good position. So if you are Saints Youth, you need to score in this possession.
Right now, on the offense of Saints Youth, of SYB, what's questionable is their spacing on the floor. Medyo kulang yung space for them to operate. Nagkukumpul-kumpulan 2 to 3 players, no? And with the long arms, itong mga mahabang malalaban na wingspan, itong kicks na Pampanga, pag masigip yung spacing mo, mahirapan ka talagang kumilos.
De Luna receives it up top.
4 sila nasa isang side.
Radin, balik kay De Luna.
Go!
Ooh, and that is a good defense though on the side of kicks it up. And to your point, no, kumpulan sila on this left side of the court.
And at the same time, they are too tentative right now. Broken play after broken play. Even the 2 previous plays before the end of regulation, they're just having a very difficult time to execute here.
Nice pass right there by Bruiz, pero tatawagan ng traveling. Kanina ko pa nakikita, Eman, itong si Gregorio, wanting to have that give-and-go play. You always, when he passes it to his big man, lagi siyang kumakat.
Yes.
No, just really.
And dapat lang talaga yun. You have to be active, no, to continue moving.
Still looking for their first points in this overtime period ay itong Saints Youth.
And at some point, no, if your offensive sets are not working, that your point guard really has to take control. Pero looking at right now on the floor is Kahukom, parang siya pa yung lumalayo sa bola.
It was Ramos again trapped on that side.
And was forced to commit a turnover.
Played well.
And nakita na ni Kahukom kanina na the trap was there and Ramos was in trouble. Ibig sa lumapit, lumayo pa talaga siya.
Gregorio and crew looking to make them pay.
And that is basically the reason why Villegas was checked back in.
Gives it in the post. 14 to work with. Balik kay Gregorio. Baseline drive. Kicks it out. Alvarez with a big boy move.
That's right. The classic jump hook in effect for Bruiz, actually.
That's Bruiz, I should say.
Well, yeah, I can understand the confusion, partner.
And they will.
Somebody needs to help Villegas.
Ramos secures the ball. And a foul is called here. At ito rin sinasabi natin kanina.
Good sell.
Whoever gets a 4-0 run, a 6-0 run here will have the advantage.
Right.
Dahil yun nga, this is only a 5-minute quarter.
But yeah, on that last play, good sell there by Ramos. Halos wala na yung bola sa kanya. And actually, Malyari, who got called for the foul, was already established na trying to pick up the ball. And then when Ramos moved, yun, sinel niya na tumama yung face niya, which tumama naman sa shoulder nitong si Malyari. However, couldn't get the shot to go, no?
Ramos sinking the second free throw.
Second one is good.
Only a 3-point lead. Wala pang field goal ang Saints Youth dito.
Right.
Kicks it up, looking for big blows here to give them a good chance of winning. Balik kay Gregorio, their primary ball handler. This is yung nawawala sa kampo ng Saints Youth.
Oh, there it is.
And look at that play, and it will be finished.
Right, you called it, partner. You called it earlier.
That is the thing na gustong gawin nito ni Gregorio all game long.
Right, and what's special about that was Bruiz actually demanded the ball at the low post, but not looking to get a shot for his own, but yeah, anticipated that quick drive, that quick dive cut by Gregorio.
Missing the free throw though.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Ang
Pero ito
ganda na.
babawi.
Right.
De
Oh!
Luna for 3.
Boom!
That is good. Ang derecho yung tira ni De Luna. Cutting it to 3. Ronquillo finds an opening, reverse, and he will be called for
right.
steps.
Trying to do the Giannis long steps.
But he's not Giannis.
Though, pag susubukan mo yun, minsan yung pivot mo may slide mo eh. And that's what the referees, that's why the referees blew their whistle, no? Because there was definitely a slide there coming from the left side of the baseline to the right.
So yung missed free throw ni Gregorio is now a factor in this game already.
Right on the previous offensive set by SYB. They were fortunate na ang nakalimutan pa talagang tauhin ng kicks it up si De Luna dito sa left elbow.
I was about to say that na of all the players you want to leave open na itong si De Luna.
Yes.
Pero tumira agad, di ko na nasabi.
And here he is.
Speaking of De Luna.
Oh,
almost lost the ball. Recovered by Ramos.
Oh, Ramos
Gregorio, nice tap by the defense.
Did not see Gregorio behind him.
Now signaling to slow the pace down, decides to give it in the corner. Baseline.
Stepped on the sideline was Malyari.
Or sideline, I should say. Malyari was not aware of that sideline.
Minsan talaga pag yung gusto mong pumuelo ng quick first step to blow by, nakakalimutan mo na kung gaano kalapit yung outside sa'yo.
Lalong-lalo na kung nasa bandang corner ka going baseline eh. Pero ito, regardless of which, 47.2 seconds remaining. Saints Youth Ballers down by 2. De Luna, he's open here in the corner.
Right. Oh,
But they will give it to Ramos.
And the ball is too slow again.
On the right, 9 seconds to go. Trapped in that right side again. Balik ang bola dito sa kicks it up.
Well, Kahukom is arguing that last touch by kicks it up, but from our angle, dumaan sa kamay niya eh. Right.
But if they just pass it to Luna, he was open right in front of us.
And before that, I mentioned that the ball was too slow on that offensive set by SYB.
Gregorio, nice pass! Sealing, maybe, sealing the deal. The last two players who scored para dito sa Kicks It Up, itong si Bruiz at itong si Gregorio.
And you can call him Rain the Dagger Bruiz, at least for this game.
Yeah. Bruiz with that big basket. Before that, that big shot and the pass.
Right.
No? That play was possible yung kanina kay Gregorio kasi naka-score itong si Bruiz.
Yes, basically in the last 6 points of Kicks It Up Pampanga, Bruiz was involved in those last 3 plays that generated 6 points for Kicks It Up.
Whether a point or an assist.
Yes.
No, he made the right play.
Yes.
Itong si Bruiz. So, Saints Youth, 18.4, a lot of time. So, if you are them, John, what will be, or will you, Eman, I should say, kasi sanay ako kay John kanina.
No, John. Yes.
Yeah, if you are them, Eman, what's your next play here?
Right now, well, first of all, even for the end of regulation, they are having trouble in setting up their half court. Right now, they are down by 4 with only 18.4 seconds. The shot clock is already dark. Well, not yet. Since they're gonna inbound half court, so 4-second differential between shot clock and game clock, and right now they have to get a quick point, either a 2 or a 3. But it has to come within the first, at least 3, if possible, the first 3 seconds of the inbound.
Here we go.
There's
Radin, De Luna in the corner. Defended here. Nice drop pass, but better defense
there he
on
is.
The side of Kicks It Up Pampanga.
That's Rain, the Dagger Bruiz with a big block.
Anticipated that shot by Ramos.
If there was such a thing as a dagger block, that was it.
And he gets the steal.
Yes.
Runs away for the victory. Bruiz sealing the deal. Basket will count.
Right.
So in this we can call that overtime quarter, the Rain Bruiz quarter.
That's right.
What a performance by the big man. Was involved in every good plays na ipinakita nitong Kicks It Up Pampanga.
On both ends of the floor, it was Bruiz time here in overtime.
What a game. Overtime in the under 15 division. Guys from Pampanga will return to their homeland with a victory. Again, 71-67 is the score. What a game that was. Napakaraming heroes dito sa ating laro. Eman, Kicks It Up Pampanga, Gregorio Cuerdo.
Yes.
Napakaganda ng kanyang performance. Itong si Matito Ronquillo.
Yes, the tandem, the 2 wings was special. Yung tandem nitong si Orbistondo and Ronquillo really had the defense of SYB guessing, no, kung ito bang sa kaliwa ba manggagaling o sa gitna o sa kanan manggagaling yung atake.
But on that overtime quarter, or overtime period, I should say, it was Rain Bruiz getting a lot of the say, and primary the reason of them para manalo, as we are now just preparing to interview our Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game. Eman, your final thoughts.
And what a game we had here in the midway of our match day in Manny Pacquiao Jr. MPBL Pocket League, the first OT game of the day. And with Kicks It Up Pampanga prevailing over Saints Youth Ballers, and those, as my partner mentioned earlier, napakaraming contributors coming from Kicks It Up, but there can only be one player of the game, brought to you by Chef's Magic. And now Baron has tracked him down, and here we go, the interview of our Chef's Magic's player of the game.
Nagbabalik tayo dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2 at kasama natin ang ating Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game, Thomas Ronquillo. Thomas, Congratulations, napakagandang laro, napakalaking panalo. Ano yung naging reminder sa inyo ni Coach nung overtime dahil dikit na dikit yung laban ngayon?
Sabi po ni Coach, mag-focus lang po kami sa depensa na one-stop mentality.
And then, again, ang ganda ng performance mo na naging all-around ka. Paano ka naghanda sa laro na to?
Nag-training po kami almost a month.
So ito yung camera natin, Thomas. Maraming nag-aantay sa inyo, mga kababayan mo, teammates, family members, na nag-aantay ng shoutout mo. Ito na yung pagkakataon.
Shoutout po sa Kick It Up fam at sa mga family ko po dyan. Shoutout din po sa mga teammates ko na tinulungan po kami para mapanalo pong itong laro na to. Yun lang po.
Again, congratulations dito kay Thomas Ronquillo at sa Kick It Up Pampanga for a good win today. At marami pa tayong panonooring basketball action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2.
Liga ng bayan.